I went to Amazon and I bought this tripod. So I said, you know what, let me get a tripod and start the journey of sharing stuff out there. You know, if you have something to share, it's good to share with people out there. So I bought a tripod for the beginning of my journey, and that is the tripod, how it looks like, how it's safe. I already paid, but and that's the tripod. You see it? It's called Camera AI. Now we are heading to the new life AI, and that's the camera. I think it's an AI camera, a tripod, sorry. So yeah, it's got tripod stand, face tracking, track your face. So that's the writing about it. It says core specification, dimension is 80s, 47 320, adjustable, stable, portability, wireless, automatic. Oh, it's a good tripod, and that's the tripod. So some things are coming out. There are some few things inside. So he has a bag, I think. See that bag? That's for storage. And it has something like a light. These are the lights, the one you put on the side. I'll show you guys how to use it. Then there's a manual. Put it on the side, and there's another light right here. Come with two lights, I guess, for the side. And then there's a charger. And, it has a remote. If you're moving around, you can play with it. There's a remote. Put it over there. Then there's the real shoe, the tripod. I take it out. That's how it look like. And that's it. That's the real beast. Okay. So I think if you wanna adjust it, you can always pull it. I don't know how tall. Ooh, it's long. Don't know if you guys can be able to see it. But it's long. So that's the tripod. There we go. That's it. Then here you can go 180 degrees. You can the camera, you can put it here, your phone, and it goes round 360 degrees. So the advantage of this, you can always pull it. You see where there's a gap, not all both sides, only one side. You can pull it. Then there's a small thing here. You put your phone here, you put your phone here, and boom. Okay, so here, to avoid it falling, there's a knob. See this knob? You can always tighten it until you reach your level where it's tight. Boom. Then over here there's a camera and a sensor. It detects your face so that when you move, you can move anywhere you move, you know. So, but first thing first, I think there's a button here. You have to press it, then it lights green. Then you hold it first when you turn it on. Then it detects your face. I could hear it vibrating, and it's good. To turn it off, you hold it, turn it off. So yeah, so you can always charge it with this charger over here. has a charger. Then this one, you see, you can also use it to hold it. Okay. And if you want the camera not to rotate around, you see this one, you can lock it here. Boom. You can unlock it. That's up to you if you want it stiff in one direction. Then if you want more light, this is where you tighten here, but you can put something here if you want another light behind. Unlock this one and you put it here. So these ones, there are two lights, they go here. You see the hole, you can always put it here. These are lights actually. How you tie it, first of all, open, they have a button behind, you see, so you just press it, then turn they can change it color a little bit or brighter, then turn it off. You see, they change its color. Then boom, let me turn it off. It's off, both of them. Okay. And you can also charge them. They have a hole over here, always the same charger it goes here. And you have a small battery, you can always use it to control the camera. Okay, so here it has a stand here. These are the stand, the way it's called tripod. The legs are tripod position. Move that thing off the way. That's this tripod. You see, to turn it off, you just press it down. Hold on, I will turn it off later. So you come here, press it. Let's see if it rotates. Follow me. See, it's rotating, following my vision. It's following me. It's following me. It's following my. It's amazing. Yeah. Good stuff. To unlock it, what you do, see, that's your stand. Down. So when you're done with it, just press it down. That's it. So if it was tight, you loosen up a little bit here, because I had tighten it up so that you can, tighten the camera. And if this was there, put like that. Then here, now you put it together. Oh, here, you put it together. You see? Boom. And that's it. Then you take the bag. See the bag. And you put it together. In the bag. These are the lights. You remember the lights? And boom.